Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Word work introductory book 8 6 plus key stage 1 focusing on vocabulary skills. Let's open the book. In my previous videos I have covered till unit number 3, and today I am going to start unit number 4, that is adding ing and ed. Okay, let's start. The letters ing or ed can be added to many words. The letters ing or ed can be added to many words. Amina is kicking the ball. As you can see, kicking, ing is being used. Okay, when ing is added to a word, it often means it is happening now. It is also known present participle, and present participle is used in continuous tense. Okay, in present continuous, in past continuous, and in future continuous or progressive tense we use ing with first form of the verb. It is also known as present participle. Okay, so which tense is this? Amina is kicking the ball. This is present continuous tense, or you can say present progressive tense. Okay, affirmative sentence of present continuous tense. Why? Because ing form is used with is, rm. They are the helping verbs or auxiliary verbs of continuous tense. All right. When ing is added to a word, it often means it is happening now. Okay, Javed kicked the ball. Javed kicked the ball. You can see kicked, ed form is used. All right, when ed is added to a word, it means it has already happened. We use in perfect tense, in present perfect, in past perfect, and in future perfect we use third form of the verb. Okay, and this is past indefinite tense. Javed kicked the ball. It's past indefinite tense, or you can say simple past tense. In simple past tense we use second form of the verb. In this sentence second form of verb is used. Okay, so ed is used in simple past tense and in perfect tense. All right, practice. Copy the words, circle the ing endings, underline the ed endings. All right, so I have already done it for you. Singing, look, singing, this is ing, so I have circled it. Pulled, ed, I have underlined it. Holding, ing is used, so circle. Next one is falling. Falling, again ing, so it should be circled. Opened, ed, so underline. Lasted, underline. Why? Because ed is being used. Sleeping, sleeping ing, so it should be circled. That's why I have circled it. Okay, locked, ed, underline. I hope you will like this lecture. Thank you so much for watching.